You're ready to try out Facebook ads for your online business. Awesome. So then the question is, how much should you spend every day? What's a good budget for somebody who's just getting started with Facebook ads? If you don't know me already, hey, what's up? I'm Claire Pelletreau, and I've been running Facebook ads for clients since 2012, back when I literally would just use images of cats in ties and get great results. Facebook and Instagram ads have helped me and hundreds of my students grow their online courses and coaching businesses without having to put out high quality content every single week, year after year. I love anything that helps me work less, so that's probably why I love talking about Facebook ads. Last week, Nadia left me a comment that had a bunch of questions, one of which I get all the time. She asked, I want to start client attraction from scratch, and I don't have a list. What's a good starting ad budget? If you know me already, you know that I'm going to give it to you straight. There are a lot of marketers that will try to lure you into their programs by saying you can get great results with just $5 a day from Facebook ads. Is that really true? Maybe. Let's look at a scenario where you're spending $5 a day on a list building campaign. If you are a consultant, a coach, or a course creator, I really want you to be spending your money on list building ads, at least to start. It's just the best way to actually get in front of new audiences and then be able to sell to them later. Let's say you start your list building campaign running ads to your free opt-in and you're bringing in new subscribers for $2 a lead. Now, your costs might be higher than that or lower than that, but actually $2 a lead in the current Facebook climate is a really good cost per lead. So if you spend $5 a day every day for a week, then you're going to bring in between 15 and 20 subscribers, depending on whether or not that fluctuates. In a month, with the same spend, you'll have 70 new subscribers on your list. If you continue to do this for 6 months, then you'll have 420 new subscribers on your list. How does that sound? Is that helping you reach your goal? Or does it fall short of what you were hoping to do with Facebook ads? If you've set a goal that's much higher than that, 420 new subscribers in 6 months, then you're gonna have to increase your spend. It's just a question of math. $5 a day can only get you so many subscribers per day, depending on your cost per lead. If you get 50-cent leads, then you're going to get more subscribers per day than if you have $2 leads. But I'm telling you, $2 are pretty good. Mine are more in the $7 to $10 range, but I'm happy to pay for it. There is one thing that you'll need to keep an eye out for, especially if you're just trying to spend a little every day, and that's what Facebook calls the learning phase. When your ads first start, Facebook needs a certain number of clicks and conversions in order to figure out who's responding to your ads. Who should they actually show your ads to within the audience that you have selected? Facebook has said that you need 50 conversions per week in order to get out of the learning phase. In a list building campaign, a conversion is a sign up. So if you are only getting 15 or 20 new signups per week, your ads might never get out of the learning phase. So if I want to make sure that my ads get out of the learning phase, here is the math that I do once my ads have started running, because I need at least a baseline cost per lead to work with. So it's 50 times my cost per lead in order to just figure out the weekly spend I'm going to need. Let's use $2 again for our example. So 50 times $2 is $100. That's how much I'm going to need to spend per week to hit that 50 conversions in a week mark. So to get the daily spend, you divide 100 by 7, number of days in the week, which is $14.28. To make sure that I'm definitely getting out of that learning phase, which is usually a sign that your ads are going to perform better, then I would round that $14 and something up to 20 per day, just to make sure I hit that 50 conversions a week mark. So you can definitely Keep your daily budget low. Just make sure you do the math so that you can be sure to get out of the learning phase. And if you're running list building ads with a specific growth goal in mind, like 1,000 new subscribers in the next 6 weeks, do the math to figure out how much you're going to have to spend to get those 1,000 subscribers in total, and then divide that by the number of days you have between now and whatever date you want to actually have those new subscribers by. If you want to figure out a Facebook ad budget for an upcoming launch that you have, definitely check out the video that's on your screen now. And don't forget to subscribe to get all of my favorite tips, tricks, and strategies about improving your Facebook ad results. Thanks for watching.